Hey guys, so I came back from Walmart and I got a CD. I got playlist the very best of Britney Spears. So this is the front. It was $5. Spine, other spine, and the back. There are 14 tracks on here. So I'm gonna unbox it. So hang on. Okay guys, so I'm doing the plastic off. Took forever to get off. Take it off. There's all the plastic, got it off. Front. The spine. Oh, this spine, and this is the back. So let's open it. That's a nice picture. This is the CD. I'm gonna get the booklet out. Hopefully it won't be hard to get out, hopefully. Oh my gosh, why are these so hard to get out? I'm trying not to bend anything. Hang on guys, sorry. Alright guys, so I got the booklet out. Oh, that's a nice picture of Britney Spears. Oh my gosh, guys, I love that picture of her. I'm in love with that picture of Britney Spears. I love that picture of her. Oh, there's all her albums right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and bye.